If you're a potato lover, this recipe is for you because I'm going to be showing you how to make roasted potatoes the Kenyan way. I have half a kg of potatoes which I've peeled and washed, and also I have some rosemary, sage, garlic and salt, and you're going to find the rest of the ingredients listed in the description box down below. So I'm going to get started by placing a pot with cold water over high flame. Then I'm going to transfer my potatoes into the water. To flavor my potatoes, I'm going to be adding in some rosemary. So I have 3 sprigs of rosemary and 3 sage leaves, together with 3 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of salt. Adding fresh rosemary while boiling the potatoes is going to add immense flavor. So I got my rosemary from my kitchen garden. If you don't have the rosemary plant, maybe you can check the nearest grocery shop and get yourself some rosemary. Don't skip. So also I've added some garlic. I also love garlic flavor in my potatoes, and the sage flavor is just spot on. Once the pot comes to a boil, I'm going to be parboiling my potatoes for around 8 to 10 minutes maximum. When the potatoes are ready, I'm going to place the potatoes aside and drain the water, while I place a frying pan with some cooking oil over medium-high flame. As the cooking oil is getting ready, I'm going to let the potatoes cool a little bit. To check if the oil is hot, I'm going to insert a skewer. Once I notice bubbling, the oil is ready for the potatoes. Remember, the potatoes are already seasoned, so I'm going to drop in the potatoes into the hot cooking oil. When you're adding the potatoes, make sure not to overcrowd the potatoes because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and your potatoes are going to seep in oil, hence they'll be very soggy. Also make sure that the temperature is right, because if the temperature is not perfect, the potatoes are also going to turn out soggy, and you're looking for a crispy roast potatoes. This is how my potatoes are looking at this point, and I absolutely love how the potatoes are looking. I'm going to scoop out my potatoes and drain off the excess oil, transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. Add in my second round, and immediately the potatoes are out of the oil, I'm going to sprinkle with some salt to season. Oh, these are looking so good. This is how my potatoes are looking, and I love the golden brown color on top, so I'm going to strain off the excess oil and transfer to a paper towel. Turn off the flames, and I'm going to finish off placing the rest of the potatoes on my plate. I absolutely love my outcome because the potatoes are very crispy. You can hear the crispiness of the potatoes, and the interior is just soft and so fluffy. This roast potatoes goes so well with some kachumbari, and also you can pair the potatoes with some proteins. I am going to be enjoying to the fullest, and I hope you are going to try out this easy and yet flavorful roast potatoes.